Hello everyone, and welcome to another art tutorial with UdoCreatives. In this video, we're going to do a line drawing of Messi using Procreate for iPad. At times during this video, I'll discuss what I'm doing, so stay tuned. If you find this video helpful, please like and subscribe to UdoCreatives for more art content. Let's get started. Before we start, I will introduce my tools. Majority of this drawing is sketched using the UdoCreatives sketching tool and UdoCreatives sketching 1 tool at 12% size with full opacity. Then, the shading is created with my smudge tool and soft brush. Sizing and opacity depends on location and use. We'll start by sketching the shape of his head. Nothing complex, just an outline to match my reference. Once this is done, I'll start working on his hair. Remember, it is better to take your time to get hair strands correctly through lining than just coloring black. This will give it a more realistic look. I'll also add the outline of his ears during this, because why not? Next, I'll start adding lighter hair strands to represent his beard and connecting mustache. Same technique as the hair, slow and steady. Hair drawing takes real patience as we want to focus on the realism and pattern of the strands. Once I am satisfied with the beard, I'll quickly outline his shirt and then start working on the neck area. I am marking out shadowy areas like the area under the neck and the Adam's apple. Next, I'll start sketching out his eyes, nose, and mouth. Now, I'll add his eyebrows with the same lining technique as the hair and beard. I'll darken his eye pupils and then move on to adding the pattern on his shirt. Next is the shading step. Before that, feel free to pause the video and do a quick check around your sketch, just in case you want to make some modifications. Let's move to shading using my UdoCreatives sketching tool 12% size, full opacity. I'll soften my shades with the smudge tool and soft brush. We'll start with shading his face and neck, adding some shades to show areas of depth to ensure a more realistic look. Then, I grade and smoothened out his face and neck, using the soft brush across various areas. I'll also darken his nostrils while I'm at it, improving the perceived depth. I'll darken his beard, mostly around the area that lines his face. This will give it more volume. Next, I'll start adding some darker shades and details to his ears, as well as adding shades around the face and neck to represent shadows and depth. I'll use my smudge tool to smoothen out these areas. Our work is looking very three-dimensional now. Next, I'll start working on some contour lines around his face, adding and smoothing where needed. I'll keep working around the face and neck areas, adding more contours and shades until I am satisfied. Notice the depth I'm adding around the eyes, nose, and mouth. I'll add some minor finishing touches around to complete the work. And there we have it! Messi is drawn using Procreate for iPad. Remember that practice is key to improving on your art journey, so do not feel discouraged if you do not get it right the first time. Thank you very much for watching. Remember to always start out with a simplified sketch to see what designs you can experiment with. Please like this video and subscribe to UdoCreatives for more art content.